If you're a business owner or a sales lead at a corporate looking for the best possible salespeople, then this video is for you. If you're a graduating student or a recently graduated student looking to build an amazing career in sales, then this video is for you. The last 15 months, they've been hard, especially on graduating and recently graduated students looking for great jobs. They simply have been put on hold, and it's been frustrating and disappointing for many. Okay, from the perspective of business owners and corporates, they've seen a big dip in sales and have had to put many of their expansion plans on hold. Revenue growth has been flat and the balance sheets haven't looked the best. Keeping this in mind, we at the God of Bhagat Academy launched awesomesalesjobs.com. With all my experience in sales and selling over the years, working with some of the biggest companies in the world, I knew I could take a select batch of 50 aspiring sales professionals and help them become superheroes in the sales domain. We do this over 5 weeks in 10 sessions and give some of the best possible training in goals, why discovery, time management, communication, and all the sales essentials of prospecting, follow-up, negotiation, closing, and more. Just remember that the GBA is licensed by Grant Cardone, the world's #1 sales trainer, and brings the best sales training in the world to India. A lot of the content has been curated specifically for Indian conditions. For companies looking to hire the best professionals, I assure you that the people coming out of the program will blow you away. Personally handheld and trained by me, these participants have gone through theory and practical models and will deliver amazing results for you and your companies. Each batch has only 50 people and they get placed really quickly as well. So if you're an aspiring sales professional or a company looking to hire the best salespeople, just click on the relevant links below and my team will get back to you really soon, right? Just remember that be 10x in everything you do. For registering on the platform, do visit awesomesalesjobs.com. The link is there below. Thank you and take care.